Hey everyone, it's Ashna and welcome back to my channel, Bulletproof by Ashna. Today's video is my 2021 bullet journal setup for the new year. I can't wait for this video to start, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so before we dig into the new journal, which I can't wait for, this is my old bullet journal. It's a Dingbats A5 Plus elephant notebook. I had a great experience. My biggest issues with this notebook is thickness of the paper and the color of the paper. So this is an ivory color, and I'll show you with my new notebook the difference in the color and thickness that you will clearly notice. And I don't know if you saw in some of my videos, my bullet journal videos, but I would always be gluing pages together, and it was such a pain because I had a lot of bleeding with this because I use all kinds of different markers. So now, without further ado, let's put this guy to the side. He's done. And my new journal. So this is actually the box, this is not the journal, and it is from Scribbles That Matter, and I can't wait. I've heard so many good things about these, and let's get right into the opening. Whoa, I love the packaging. Oh my god, look at that cover. I'll put that to the side. Wow, oh my gosh. It comes with a marker too? Whoa. It's a fine liner. Scribbles, I don't know if you can read that. Scribbles That Matter, fine liner 04. Oh, love it. Okay, that will probably be my new favorite pen. I don't know, we'll see. Then, let's open this. Do you guys like my pajamas? I'm wearing pajamas because it's Christmas Day still. You guys think pajamas all day. Okay, sorry, that was very unnecessary. So it has these beautiful like drawing graphics on here. I love the color, like the gray. Let's dig in. Scribbles of, that's unique. Look at this paper. See the white of it? Like it's even whiter than my poster board, which is what I'm using to film on, by the way. Look. And it's so thick. You can feel it. Wait, let me pull out my Dingbats and you guys will definitely see the difference. Look, oh my god, that's actually, when you put them side by side, it's a huge difference. Okay, so can't wait. Let's like, I'm gonna write my name in it. Don't you just love that feeling? Okay, gonna write my name. And I started it on, what's the day today? Oh yeah, Friday, December 25th, 2020. There we go. Oh, there's even a key. So now here you can see me, I'm writing out my key, and this key is just everything I use in my bullet journal. So when you start bullet journaling, chances are you're gonna need a key to refer back to, but for me, I just wrote the key because it was such a nice designated area, but I pretty much know this really well by now because I spent like almost a whole year using it. Then the Scribbles That Matter had these nice index pages, which I didn't exactly know how to use, but it's all good. We're probably not going to use those. So now for the first page of the 2021 bullet journal setup, I did a really simple quote here. So you can see me writing 2021 with the accent color for this month, which is like this dark purple, and the quote says, "Dear 2021, no pressure." And I chose this quote because honestly, I think we all just want 2021 to be better than 2020, and we don't want any pressure being put on our 2021 because 2020 was a disaster. But moving on to the other side, I saw this TikTok on Pinterest with this girl who made this really cool doodle page. So she did circles, then random squiggles, and alternating the colors here, and it turned out super cool. So I thought, I would really like to incorporate this in my bullet journal somehow. I mean, for my 2021 theme, there wasn't really actually a theme. I just played around with colors and fonts that I thought would be a good start into the new year. Moving on, now it is time for the longest spread that took me so much time in the whole 2021 setup, and this was the future log. So if you're new to bullet journaling and you don't know what a future log is, it is basically the area where you write out all the months for the entire year and you plan out events for the whole year. So your future, basically. So to show you guys what actually goes on behind all this bullet journaling, you can see me here, and it takes a lot longer than you think, but I had to count out each individual dot, so I had 3 equal spaces and a Dutch door. And sorry guys, I lost some footage, so as you can see, it looks like I just fast forwarded through that, but it took a while, and now you can see me doing July, August, and September. I'm drawing out all these mini calendars for each month, and this is where the trouble began. So I was going through, like, my hand was cramping, I was doing all the numbers for all these months. Believe me, it takes forever, but you gotta get some music and just go, go, go. So I was doing it, I'm feeling so good, proud of myself, like, wow, I have not made any mistakes yet, it's going so well, 2021, it's already looking great. And then once I reached November, I looked at my calendar and I realized I just copied all of the 2020 dates, not the 2021 dates. So I was, as you can see, so upset. I just covered all these, my hard work. I had to redo them all, and I just went to fix my mistake. I just covered the months with some bullet journal paper and glue tape, but it's pretty devastating, not gonna lie, but I pulled it out in the end, and I think that it turned out super cute. After filling in the title, future log, and drawing a big 2021 horizontally on the side, I created a little goals section on this other sidebar here, and I split my goals into 3 main sections: YouTube, home, and school. On the other side, since there was a perfect spot, I also made a grid spacing box to help me plan out future spreads. Okay, so moving on to the last 2 pages of this 2021 bullet journal setup. The first page was for recommendations from friends, family, and anyone who recommended stuff to me, because I find that people say it and then when I need something to watch, I just end up forgetting. So this would be a perfect spot to just quickly jot down any recommendations for books and this really nice comic app called Webtoon that I like to read, movies and shows, and even music. So once I had finished that, on the other side, this was one of my favorite spreads. So it was a wish list / gift list spread. So let me explain. So I found that this Christmas I had a pretty hard time trying to buy gifts for all my family, but I was really upset at myself because during the year I had so many ideas, and when I really needed those ideas, I just drew a blank. So this spread was designed for if I see something that I think a specific family member would like, I can write it down in the gift list. So maybe for next year, 2021 Christmas, I'll be really prepared and I'll have a great list of gifts to give them. And the wish list is if I see anything that I would like to write it down. And I saw this spread in Amanda H. Lee's bullet journal, and I really liked the idea of it, so I had to include it in my own. Okay everyone, it is now time for my 2021 bullet journal setup final flip through, and this setup was a bit tedious, especially the future log, but in the end I think it turned out super nice, and I can't wait for 2021. Fresh start, new year, and hopefully fingers crossed, it is better than 2020 because we all need a better year. I love you guys so much. Keep on planning, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow with my January 2021 bullet journal setup, and can't wait for that, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye everyone.